Could I ask her to pet me mommy-like? 5 wakes up after a long day of napping and you don't even have dinner on the table. Adoption day at the community cat shelter. I don't ask for much, but tonight on Feline Prime Time, the horrible lives of house cats exposed. Hey, no Rush Tho. The vacuum's been sighted, every man for himself. Yeah, I don't care. Hey, wanna pet me? No meal is complete until one bite has been bedded half-heartedly onto the floor. Hey, guess what I learned on the Cooking Network today? Generosity. I has it. Helping with chores equals nailing it. Marketing know-how. I has it. Sometimes I don't even know why I still try. Desperate times call for desperate measures. That awkward moment when you thought he was napping. Why are you just laying here with your eyes closed, human? Attention needing level reaching critical velocity. Well, now that I'm here, you might as well pet me.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.